Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Great to see you again, and welcome to our first timers. Hey, if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe underneath. That way every week we can come directly from my kitchen into your kitchen and we can cook these great recipes and have a good time together. Hey, you know, when I was a kid, there was one thing my mom in America used to have in the cupboard all the time, and that was raisin bread. It was standard. It was the wonder of fluffy white bread, the whole meal for when you feel healthy, and in the middle was always the raisin bread. I used to love it, and I ate lots of it. However, as I got older and learned how to cook, I learned that you can actually make raisin bread and really make it delicious. I like it really cinnamony, I like it full of raisin, and I like it really baked, dark on the top, soft on the inside. Enough talking. Sit back, let me show you how to cook this. Like I told you, raisin bread. This is absolutely delicious. I can have bunches of this. Notice all the beautiful darkness and the beautiful raisins in there. It is absolutely delicious. It's not overly sweet because the bread is not too sweet, but you have the sweetness of the brown sugar and cinnamon inside, which makes it absolutely incredible. I love the beautiful golden and dark, a little bit, almost I would say burned, but you know, just at the edge point. That's why we put the foil over it to make sure it keeps cooking inside and it does not burn. Guys, once again, we love making this. You have to go out and make it yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to give us those likes and don't forget to subscribe underneath and hit that bell so that way every week can come from my kitchen to your kitchen and we can make stuff like this. Guys, thank you for your feedback and comments. Keep them coming. We love reading them. Let me know how you go with this and don't forget to share the video. Have a great week and we'll see you next time.